2 blocks. Okay, everybody, hang on.
Yeah, way ahead here, Jim.
Whoa! Look out for the slime tower!
Look out, Earthlings! I'm an egg on a mission! Nice catch!
Hey, Arnold! Yours, Jim. Yours, Jim. Jim,
Eat my cosmic dash, human!
Jimmy, jump rat, Turtle Claw!
What's a big idea? What are you doing for that something?
That was close.
This is gonna be close! Berries! Cosmo, Wanda, you've gotta help us!
Elvis, you got it!
Hey, thank you very much. Good to be here. Yeah, you're
Ooh, my aching head.
Bacon head? Okay.
Bacon.
Don't let him eat my head, Jimmy!
This isn't really helping, guys! Cosmo, just give him your walk!
Okay, here, Carl.
Go away! Carl, we have to follow him! Sounds like a witch! No, that Neutron planet!
Jim, you don't really like us here.
Got to stop him, Carl!
Oh, I got a funny feeling, and this time I don't think it's him!
And some of this Neutron!
Taxi! Taxi!
Système métallique a ruiné mon souffle! Extra! Extra! I hate all about it!
It's a trap!
Jimmy, it's so nice to see you. And your little friends, too. And you know there's one more friend that's been looking very forward to seeing you.
Yes! Ultra will teach you the meaning of... Ow.
Hang on, everybody! This is gonna get flashy!
I was hoping for over easy!
Carl, we lost power! Take your belt off and wrap it around the modulator, boy! Uh-oh.
I'm kind of hoping uh-oh is a pilot term.
Nothing to worry about, Carl. Prepare to splash down.
Okay, whatever you say.
Sports ball, blood!
Wow! A rocket-powered jellyfish! Here, jelly, jelly! Wow! Gotcha!
Hey, I can't see!
I'm bringing it around town! Hello, Larry. Hello, Sandy. Morning, Mrs. Pop. Hello, secondary characters. Sandy, you look...
SpongeBob, me customers!
Come back! Oh,
See that, Carl? Back home, safe and sound.
Now I just have to wait for my pants to dry, because if they don't, I get a
You may have scrambled my bumbling brother, Neutron, but you'll rue the day you scorned me! Now I have control, and you shall all suffer a fate beyond your worst nightmare! Ah! Dance! Dance the dance of a chicken!
Do something!
I don't think I can, Jimmy. The rhythm's got me. Besides, what could I do?
Cosmo's wand!
Oh, yeah. Superpower laser beam! Cool.
Oh, poo.
Nice shot, Carl!
Yeah, thanks, Jim. Check this out. Llama, 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 llama.
Well, thanks for helping me save the universe. Got a blast!
Llama, llama, llama.
Carl!
What's up, guys? It's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Jimmy Neutron's Nicktoon Blast. The most liked comment on our previous video of us checking out Scorpion at Busch Gardens, Tampa comes from Ghostly and Henry Television. They said, "I love this POV so much, you make the best POVs I've seen." Thanks, Ghostly. We really do try to get the best viewing experience for our fans, and we really appreciate it. If you're new here, the most liked comment on this video gets read on our next. This ride closed at Universal Studios Florida on August 18th, 2011 to make room for Despicable Me Minion Mayhem. Both really fun and nostalgic rides, but I do miss Jimmy Neutron. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.